So this panel here is all low voltage, meaning 120 volt and less.
Right.
There's 24 volt DC, 12 volt DC, and 120 volt AC in here. Now this is high voltage. This has our 230 coming in. So this panel, you have to power off to open it up. It has an electrical mechanical interlock in here. So you have to shut these off, turn off main power, and then you can open this up. But right now I can't open this because it has an electronic lock in the inside. But this side, low voltage, you can open. So here we have our power up top coming in through all these breakers. There's a lot of spare breakers in here, just in case you guys ever want to run anything. If you guys want to run auxiliary lights or anything like that. Some people run, if they have like a backup generator they want to bring in, they sometimes put like wire into these spare breakers for battery charger or block heater on their generator or anything like that. They're just all the off ones. These are all labeled as far as what they are on this electrical schematics, which are in this pump manual, which I will leave here today. Okay. But yes, this is all 120 volt coming in on top. You got our power supply that bumps it down to 12 volt DC. This is our PLC, which helps control our HMI here. A couple relays. Power outage. So this will stay on this battery backup. Not exactly sure how long it will stay on, but I think it stays on for at least 24 hours. Okay. And then when there's proper utility power like how there is now, this just has a battery maintainer charger in there, so it will stay charged up. And as soon as if you do lose power, it'll go on to battery backup, and then once power comes back on, it will charge itself back up. If it has no power, yes, it will stay with settings. Okay. And down here, this is just our terminal strip where you get our pump sensors and stuff tying into. We have these lights up here, and there's on both sides. They don't really do a whole lot during the day, but at night they're actually pretty nice. They light it up better than you would think. Couple auxiliaries, whatever. They tie into here. Down here's our floats where they tie in. Again, they're on plugs on the outside, so as far as service and maintenance, you guys really shouldn't have to worry about these terminals, but it's something to know about. That's where from the plugs in that side cabinet, they wire into here. Then from here, they go through these intrinsically safe barriers. This is a good way to see if you come here and want to see what floats are on. If you're worried that this isn't reading accurate, you can look at here. So right now we have this light on down here. It's the top one. That means our off float is up, which is good. We know it is. Otherwise we'd have a low level. And then the one down, channel 2 on ISR 1 is your lead float. So if this was lit up yellow, then our pump should be running. And once that float comes up, it will turn on. And then this one up here is for our lag float and high float. So it's just a visual that you can see, and it is run right off the floats. It is not part of this PLC, so you can get a good understanding of what floats are on. Whatever, it's just a quick way to check. That's pretty much it for that panel. This panel just has these 2 pump disconnects. Then it runs through the capacitor boards in here. Yeah, it's pretty basic inside here. It's mostly empty. A lot of spare extra space in there. So these lights are controlled off this switch here. Like I said, they don't look that great during the day, but yeah, they're pretty nice at night if you ever have to be out here. So yeah, that's it. There's a convenience receptacle here. This is just telling you that your control power is on. This here, it monitors your incoming power. So if you were to have like a power surge or something, this will monitor that. Okay. But yeah, it's good now. Yeah, that's really about all there is to it on this side of the station.